It's that time of the year again. So moving time, moving house. So some of you may be aware that I've been renting out a place in Nha Trang, in northern Nha Trang, for about $275 a month. Now that price has decreased a bit because of the US dollar's strength relative to the VND, but we are now moving. And I've never actually shown you the full place of what this place looks like, so I'm going to show it to you right now. All right, let's have a look at the carnage. So it is all over the place at the moment. Moving is never fun. We move quite often, but this is my 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. So $270 a month roughly. It's rather basic. It's definitely not the most appealing thing in the world, but the big selling point of this place will be that the beach is right beside it and it's very convenient. Has everything you want, really. The TV's nice, it's smart TV, 4K, and got a table. That's where you'll see me filming my videos in this corner here, which I am happy to find a better spot, which we are going to show you. And here is the second bedroom, which we don't actually use. It's just a storage. My girlfriend sometimes goes in there for work because she works very late at night time, but besides that, it's just a storage room. We have the first bathroom. There are 2 bathrooms. I'm not going to show too much because they are just bathrooms. And we have the other bathroom. And then this is the bedroom. So I'll show you the balcony because you can actually get a sea view, which is pretty much the big selling point of this place. So you can see how close I am to the beach. So let's have a look. Oh yeah, so I have blocked off everything here because I'm a pretty private person, but you can see everyone here. But this is the beach just down there. And you can see northern Nha Trang. But I need to continue to keep packing so that I can show you the next place that we're moving to. And I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised of how nice it is and for the price that we've got it for.